Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and here is a myth versus reality video that everybody has his opinion on, and so experts apparently are saying this and that, and what's the reality exactly? What is the real thing behind this? So the question is, should I shut down my PC at night? Should I keep it on all the time? Apparently, it's bad if I turn it off and turn it back on. And here's the thing. In today's modern PCs technology, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. As a PC that runs 24 hours a day versus a PC that is shut down every day, in overall, lifespan, they pretty much are the same. There are things that, some of the explanations sometimes are logical, that the logical side of thing as well, it creates heat, and heat can shorten the life of devices. That's true. These claims are actually true. There are some of these claims that are actually right. But here's the thing. I shut down my PC when I don't use it. I don't shut down my PC for 10 minutes. But if I know that I'll be several hours without using it, I will shut it down. And the main reason you should shut it down, first of all, is power saving. You pay the electricity bill. So, you know what? It's not meant to be shut down for no reason at all. It has a shutdown because that's something that you can do. And it uses less power. A PC is actually a big chunk of your power bill if you use it all day long. Then there are things that, I personally, as a guy that studied electronics, actually, shutting it down, is actually giving the computer time to cool down, first of all. It also giving the computer time to, especially if you leave your screen on all the time. Well, screens will dim over time, and, being open or turned on 24 hours a day is not a good thing. That's why often PCs have their own power saving mode and they shut down the screen, stuff like that. But overall, whatever you do, you shut it down, you don't shut it down. It doesn't matter. There is an advantage to having it shut down also. There's a good advantage of having Windows start up fresh every day that you use your PC. By shutting it down, you are actually going to have a copy of Windows that's going to start in memory with none of these processes and things that you were doing yesterday. A computer that never is shut down. Over time, there's all sorts of processes, all sorts of things that can add up in RAM memory and overall make the system eventually unstable. It is possible after a very long run. But whatever you do, there's no wrong thing that you do. There's no real option. There's nothing in there. No one can tell you this is what you do and you're doing it wrong. Anybody that does that is trying to just attract more views by pretending that he knows that, it's so much better if you never turn it off, or it's so much better if you turn it off, or it doesn't matter, obviously. And honestly, over time, look at businesses. They have PCs running 24 hours most of the time. And these PCs run for years. And, there are different processes, different things that the computer does to minimize. Also, if you have a standard hard drive, for example, mechanical hard drive, Windows has a process that tells the computer to shut down the power to the hard drive, for example, when not in use, to save, because it's a mechanical device. Of course, by being used all the time, it can actually shorten its lifespan. So this saves some of its life. Computers often will shut down the screen or, put the screen to dark to save the lighting system. And at the same time, it saves power. But whatever you do, you're not doing anything wrong. It doesn't matter. Okay? That's the simple answer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.